Are you looking for a way to make extra money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. In this video, we're sharing the top 5 side hustles you can make on the internet. Online tutoring or teaching. Selling products on e-commerce platforms. Online content creation. Online surveys and research. Online freelancing. Online tutoring or teaching. With the rise of online learning platforms, there's a growing demand for online tutors and teachers. You can use your expertise in a particular subject or skill to help others and earn money at the same time. Selling products on e-commerce platforms. From handmade crafts to digital products, there are endless opportunities to sell products online. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and start selling. Online content creation. Whether it's writing, video, or photography, you can use your creativity to create content that people will pay to see. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Patreon make it easy to monetize your content and turn your hobby into a side hustle. Online surveys and research. Companies and organizations are always looking for insights into consumer behavior and market trends. You can participate in online surveys and research studies to earn money on the side. Online freelancing. From web development to graphic design, there's a growing demand for skilled professionals who can work remotely. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr make it easy to find freelance work and turn your skills into a profitable side hustle. Start earning extra money today. So there you have it, the top 5 side hustles you can make on the internet from home. Choose one that's right for you and start earning extra money today. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this.